Go up through the hole once and then down through the guide hole here. Then back and around the tension wheel. Thread the bobbin from the inside out and hold on to the thread as you place it. Engage the belt and push the pedal to begin. When there is an even layer of thread, let go and cut the thread on the outside. Remember to either remove the thread from the machine or hold it out of the way so that it does not get caught on anything. When the bobbin is full, remove it and cut the thread. When you are all done, make sure to remove the spool so there is no loose thread. Rewind the thread, push it through the slit, and add the masking tape so it doesn't unwind.